It is time to add the greeting card message to your order by clicking Continue to Greeting Card. Any special occasion? Choose your greeting card type, from birthdays to anniversary, get well, and many more. You can manually type the greeting card text, but please note that the text is limited to 182 symbols. Or you can use our greeting card library. There we have gathered some nice messages for almost every occasion. Using pre-made messages is very simple. Select the purpose and a pre-written text that you prefer. We recommend our customers sign their card messages, as the greeting card is the only place where the recipient can see the sender of the gift. Here is the field for special delivery instructions or comments. Please use it to let us know if your recipient has any food allergies, or if your recipient prefers dark chocolate to milk chocolate, or if you'd like to send a longer card message, or specify any particular delivery instructions. We will do our best to accommodate all of your requests.